Meaning of elopement.
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 Elopement. Elopement refers to the act of running away and getting married without informing one's family or friends. It typically involves leaving one's hometown or country, often with a romantic partner, with the intention of getting married in secret. Elopements can result in a range of outcomes, depending on the situation and reasons behind the decision. Some elopements may lead to happy and long-lasting marriages, while others can result in regret, disappointment, and even legal or social complications if the marriage is not recognized or accepted by others.